What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel Outdoors with G. It's a little bright outside, but y'all see it again. We back on the kayak. We gotta run it back, see if we can get some redfish again and not lose it this time. We're going for trout as well, any type of game fish, any type of fish that'll bite, honestly. It's a little windy, but we gonna carry on. It's a little hot, but it should cool down a little bit and ease up. So if y'all new, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Let's get the fish, and I ain't gonna waste no more time, but let's go. So we actually got a full paddle this time, not two halves. The water's a little choppy because of the wind, but it ain't gonna kill us. So we're gonna start a little deep and probably hit the same spots we had last time. I'll go ahead and start getting some casts out. I do need to be careful with this paddle. Cannot drop that in the water. It's too big to fit on the kayak. There's no kayak holder on here. I don't see. There should be, but I don't know. I'm probably looking over it or something. We'll take anything that bite, but target fish is trout and redfish, of course. So we'll do a couple casts deep and keep moving forward. Hopefully we land a couple. And I'm trying to keep some fish today too. So a couple keepers would be nice, but just catching a couple fish in general is what I want. All right, so let's move to get somewhere over here a little more. So we moved up about another 100 yards. Gonna keep casting a little deep. And then just hit those same spots. So we'll try about like 10 casts right here in the middle. Turn around, maybe try a couple more 10s. Man, I've been seeing a lot of shark videos too, man, I ain't gonna lie. Kind of got me sketched out a little bit right now. I don't know if y'all been seeing those videos going around, but somebody had got killed by a tiger shark somewhere in, like, I don't know if it was Egypt or what, but he was in the middle of the water by himself. So he got messed up. And then some kid got jumped off or his friend somehow talked him into jumping off a cruise. This man jumped out the cruise. They ain't never seen him again. That was the last time they seen him. And they talking about probably got ate by sharks, which is more than likely. It was nighttime when he jumped out. Oh, I thought I had a bite. Yeah, I don't know if y'all seen that, man. It's crazy stuff going on. I love fishing, but I never like sharks. I don't mind catching them on the surf, but don't nobody want to deal with sharks on like kayaks or being in the middle of the water. Seeing some ladyfish and mullet over here. This is a good spot right here as well. I picked up on some nice fish. We're just getting pushed out by this current right here. So we're gonna have to be fighting against this. So I wish it wasn't windy outside. We're getting pushed right out of this spot. All right, so what we're gonna have to do, since we're just getting tossed around by this current, we're gonna start fishing all the way from the back of where we planned on going and then just fish it on the way back. I can't sit in one spot because I'm just getting pushed all the way out like nothing. Now we need to find out where them tarpon be at. You would think they'd be right here in spots like this. But honestly, I can't even find them where I live at, like, period, at all. I don't know if they're this far up north in Florida, because I'm almost in Alabama. We ain't getting nothing out of those docks we just hit over here neither. We're in a little bit of a ways in there though too, that there's nothing. Usually there's some trout in there, like even baby trout. I would have hated to catch something big in there though. I don't want to get pulled around like that like we did with that redfish, start hitting people docks and stuff. One fish would make my day. Just one fish, man. Oh, it's choppy. Let's move in a little bit. I don't trust this kayak too much, too deep, to be honest. It is a little busted. And I don't have a life jacket on. You don't want to be too deep when you ain't got no life jacket on. Gotta have the safety shit on. Just to be safe. I'm honestly surprised we haven't gotten like a trout at least. This is their time they usually start coming in. Let's finish off with a spoon. Where is my spoon? I don't have one. Thought I did. All right, well, we're switching lures. Let's get... we'll try the top water, I guess. Oh no, it's really choppy though. I got a shrimp, jerk bait. We're gonna go top water. I don't care. It's not a good day anyways. It wouldn't hurt anymore off a skunk. All right, top water is on. Got a loop knot, Yozuri 3D inshore. That's what the lure is called. Let's see what happens. I made that, might have made the loop too big. Got one! What is this? Got a ladyfish. That's a strong ladyfish. That's a strong one. Let's go on the top water, bro. Right in front of us. Let's go, that's all we needed. Loosen the drag up a little bit, it's kind of tight. I foul hooked him too. Come here. All right, he's not done. Thought he was. I just got to get him on the boat, kayak, whatever you want to call it. Awesome. Finally. Double hooked him. Double hooked him on the foul hook. I'm gonna need my pliers for that. Can't even get that out. That's deep in there. Look at that. He missed, but he hit it though. Look at that. Awesome. All right, let's get him back. He didn't go back that good. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Let's go. No skunk, man. On the top water too. That only took 2.5 hours. Let's make sure our line's okay. He missed, so it should be. Yeah, it's fine, should be. I think I felt like a little fray, but barely. I hope that got caught on camera. That was cool, it was right in front of us. I think it did. I know it's just one, but let's try and get some more. We got time. We got like 30 minutes left of fishing. I thought it was a chop. Got another one. That's a ladyfish again. Come here. Ow, ow. Oh, I just got hooked in my skin. Ow. Ow, bro. Oh, he might die. This is a mess. Oh, pliers needed again. This is a mess, y'all. I pulled him in too early. Ow. Yeah, he's not gonna make it. I think he's already dead. RIP these pants. Yeah, this isn't good. Sorry y'all had to see that. I have no idea how he managed to swim off, but he swam off. I might be bleeding too. He got me good, y'all. It's got this spot, a little bit of blood. A little bit of blood in the water. Woo, we got pushed out far. Line's a little frayed, but I think we got one more fish. If we get another one on, then we're gonna have to retie. This is choppy topwater action. It's not smooth out here at all. That's what makes it more fun. I forgot all about the ladyfish. I wasn't even thinking about that at all. The spot's pretty heavy with ladyfish. See if we can get a trout. Oh, my arm is so tired. We've done probably a couple hundred casts, which is the normal anyway. Oh, did y'all see that? I got a fish on there. There he goes. Another ladyfish. This is so fun. Oh, he's behind me. That's not good. We're on a hot ladyfish bite right now. I always spit it out. That's usually what happens with ladyfish. I'm honestly surprised that's the first time we lost one. They almost always come off. Now we have to retie. So I'm gonna retie this and I'll be back to y'all. Hopefully we get a couple more and we'll end the video. All right, we're retied, but a lot of boats just came in. So we're gonna get out the way a little bit. We did get pushed out way farther than I thought. I wasn't paying attention, I was retying. We got pushed out really far. Having so much fun though. We got on a hot bite. Hopefully it didn't slow down after the retie. It only took 5 minutes or so. All right, we're gonna move closer. We're too far. I'm kind of sketched because this is missing a plug, which you definitely shouldn't be taking out a kayak if you're missing a plug. So let's get close. Let's at least get by these other fishes right here. This should be fine. Let's see if the bite's still hot. They were everywhere. I didn't even realize that last fish was hooked because he gill hooked himself. Didn't feel like he striked it. All right, let's move a little closer. It's getting dark. We are really far from where we're supposed to be. Yeah, we might take it on back. It's getting choppy and the water's getting inside. So I need to be careful paddling back. It's not like a crazy amount of water that's gonna make us sink, but we need to get closer because water is getting inside. And y'all see how far we are. Oh, that was so fun, but we're taking on water. It's too sketchy, man. It's way too sketchy. Every time I look down, we're pushed out like another 50 yards. Bro, I'm so tired. Excuse the wind if it's loud. Y'all see how close I am now, bro? It took 10 to 20 minutes for me to paddle all the way back over here. I was getting a little uncomfortable out there when I realized this plug isn't on. It wasn't on last video neither. When I got it, the plug actually wasn't in. That's why I was staying close. But this current, man, I'm telling y'all, it's been pushing me out. Like every couple casts, I would look down, focus on a fish. I'm like 50 more yards back that way. So I'm very happy that I'm close. Now I might take a couple more casts while the sun's still up. I did say I was going back and gonna pack it on up, but I'll be lying. I'll be lying. I always fish the whole way back. Now that I'm like in a comfortable amount of, or a comfortable depth of water, I feel better. But the action isn't gonna be as good as it was that deep out there. I hate that we had to go in after getting on a hot ladyfish bite, super hot. I was gonna start hooking up like every cast, but boats started coming by. The wake started getting like pretty fat. I was getting pushed around a little bit and I wasn't comfortable being out there. I ain't got no life vest on. It's not my kayak. I don't want it to go under. I don't want to go under. But we're in a comfortable amount of water right here, so I throw a couple. I'm soaked, by the way. That was tragic. Y'all. Oh, we're getting pushed already. See, this is why. This is how I ended up way out there. I don't know if I'll be able to fish. Yeah. I take it back. We're gonna pack it up. I can't fish it. I'm not trying to go all the way back out there. That took like 20 minutes just to get to the shore a little bit. I lied again. I found a spot. You know we gotta do a couple of farewell casts, man, every time. I'm gonna find a way to do it every video. Let me untangle this and we're gonna do a couple casts and get out of here. It was getting dangerous out there, man, for real. It might not look that bad on camera, but soon as I seen water keep getting into that little hole, I'm gone. I was out. It took me 20 minutes to get to where I am now. And I'm about to be at the car. So yeah. See if we can get some. No keeper fish yet. I'm not keeping ladyfish. I was honestly surprised we landed two. I almost landed that last one, but he kept jumping everywhere. They usually fall off like, I mean, I'll be landing them, but they fall off just as much as I land them. All right, let's go. Good session, not bad. Only took a few hours. All right, y'all, we made it back to the crib. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, new videos every Friday, 5 p.m. Central. Man, it's been a slow day. We've been fished out there for hours, only caught like 3 fish, but it is what it is. I'll see y'all in the next one. Gone.